Hi, it's Tony. You're in Pop's workshop. As we sit amidst the clutter of this previous year, we're going to talk about some of the things we did to declutter, some of our top performing videos, which were really surprising to us, some of the shop upgrades, a few other things that we've accomplished through the year that we're pretty happy about. So just some of the things we've done, we were close to 600,000 views on our channel. We're really happy about that. Thank you very much for watching. We had a long form video that performed really well, about 10,000 views in a few months, which isn't big numbers by some standards, but for us, it's phenomenal. It's by far our best performing video, and a short that did almost 100,000 this year. So thank you very much for all the support you've given us. It means a lot. We added about 250 subscribers, and yeah, it's been a really good year. 24 long form videos, just under 50 shorts. We may try to do a few more next year, but it was a good path for all the things we had going on outside of the shop this year. We both work at the Woodcraft, so it takes a lot of our time. But we'll talk a little bit about that later, some of the things that have helped us by working there and some of the classes that we've taught. So that's been kind of fun for us. Why don't we take a moment and we'll go take a look at the products that were part of the best performing videos we did this year. So our best performing long form video was, believe it or not, our unboxing and review of this Harbor Freight benchtop router table. We've got my not porter cable, it's a Bosch 1617 router mounted underneath here. This has got an on-off switch. Really ticked all the marks and checked all the boxes. So it really is a nice performing thing. We've used it a few times. Did another video on how it performed in another area for cutting grooves. It's really, really nice. So this was our over 10,000 views on this video. So for us, phenomenal. Blows everything else we've done away. So thank you for that. Almost 90,000 views on a simple cleaning of a blade with the Microjig blade clean setup. I love this setup. I've still got my cleaning fluid in there. I can just set it up out of the way when I need to clean blades or clean router bits, pop it out, good to go. So this one, yeah, almost about 90,000 views on this. Just again, we weren't expecting it. It just happened. So let's move on from here and talk about some of the improvements we've made in the shop. And another thing, thinking about our subscribers, we had one of the subscribers on our channel. He ran into some health issues and decided to get out of woodworking. He had to do something different with his time and his resources. So he gifted the channel this cool little belt disc sander from Wen. We've used this a lot. It is very, very good. And I'll put a link in the description because I think that's well worth the money. If you need a small little belt disc sander, that's the ticket right there. And he also gifted us this Hercules dust extractor. We didn't have a dust extractor in the shop, and this has proven extremely valuable for hooking up to my track saw, our small sanders. Even that small little disc sander there works phenomenal on it. So Chris, thank you, buddy. Hope you're feeling better. Now let's move on to some of the shop improvements we've made this year. All right, probably the best improvement for conditioning the shop this year has been putting this wall in. This was open, just covered with the tarp before. When it got cold, it got cool in here. It was hard to keep my finishes from freezing. This has really made it easier to cool and heat this thing all year long. So we really love that. And what woodworker doesn't want more wall space? So that's been a huge improvement. We're really happy with that. We also took this cabinet, we modified it. It is now holding our batteries and our chargers, whether it be the Ego on the outside or all the rest of them on the inside. I have plans to modify the bottom of that to hold my drills and things like that to hang up there. So that's going to get modified even further. It even holds my shop towels. That's kind of handy. Pardon the table saw in the way. I didn't like the way I had my saw mounted there. It wasn't a good function. So I'm building a shelf for that. So that's going to be an upcoming video. In fact, the shelf is sitting over there. Just got to make some modifications to it and mount it. And then the table saw can be back where it belongs with plenty of outfeed for that small saw. Quick little, use this handy little holder here for the phone. It's got a little remote. That's been a nice upgrade for filming. When Nana's not available, I can still kind of do things by myself. Then over here, we've got the biggest upgrade, which is this 15 lineal feet of tabletop. Now this was 3 folding tables. Ridiculous. They didn't work well, but they were what we had. So we just took some plywood, some 2x4s, and we built this and put it on the wall, and we couldn't be happier. Nana's got her stained glass and scroll saw station there, so she wants to work on Intarsia projects or her stained glass projects. She's got her space to do it.
Thank you, Mike.
Yeah, yes. Kind of a no man's land of open space that has quickly filled up with everything else. We'll straighten it up. I swear to you, we'll straighten it up. My CNC sits here, and my big laser here, and oh, this is cool. This is cool. Nah, you can't see that. Pay no attention to what's under the curtain. We'll get to that in January. There's a video coming out for that, whatever it might be. So something to come. We've got a bigger TV in this year. The whiteboard is going to serve a new function. We'll be doing probably a short or a video on what we're going to do with the whiteboard, which I think most woodworkers might find useful. Probably several are already doing, so it's nothing new, but I think you're going to like the improvement there. From here, let's take a moment. We'll run out to the garage, even though it's a little chilly out there, and talk about 2 improvements we've made out there to make it easier to function in here. All right, so lumber storage. I was overrun by lumber storage because a lot of people asked me, I wanted free lumber, and you never turn that down. It's not hoarding, it's future-proofing. That's what it is. That's what it is. So we got these from another friend. These things are so sturdy, I could chin up off them if I could do chin-ups. But I didn't think I was going to fill them up. I did. So I thought I'd have more room. I ran out of room there quickly, so we might have to put some more of those up. I'm not quite sure. I'll try to use it up instead of building more. I don't know. We'll see. And then over here, we did a video on building these little U-brackets to hold our sheet good scrap. So that gets all that out of the shop and really allows me to keep them organized and in one specific place. They're less likely to get damaged or marred. And then I can come out here, get what I need, take it in the shop and use it. So that's been really, really useful. Let's go back into the shop and talk about some of the companies that have supported Pop Pop's workshop this past year. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention the support we've gotten from a lot of manufacturers. Some have been with us for a few years now, supporting the channel, sending us product, and others sent us things for the first time this year. But let's kind of look at some of the few things that we've picked up. Freud is always, they're so generous. They continue to set us up with some blades when we need them. Router bits, I have a myriad of Freud router bits. Love them. Highly recommend them for your shop. Microjig, we bought a gripper years ago, and I don't go near the table saw without the original gripper near there. And now I've got the gripper to go. I've got a set of these. They're great. With our new router table, they also sent us some push pads. So these are going to be great for holding things down and working with them on the router table. Starbond, been with us for a long time. Thank you, Starbond. They're always very generous and send us glues when we need them to keep our projects just right. So I appreciate that too. And T9, man, Boeshield has been with us in the shop for a long time now. And I can't say enough good things. This is just the normal waterproof lubrication, but in a dropper form. This is great for lubricating the bearings on your router bits rather. So when you clean a router bit, use something of that to re-lubricate that bearing, because you might lose some of the grease, but that's going to help get it right back. New sponsor this year, Walrus Oil. They've come on and gotten us some products with cutting board oil, the furniture finish kit, all kinds of cool things there. And we've been using them and we love them. So if you get a chance, check out Walrus Oil. I'm going to try to put a link for everybody in the description. It might get a little long, but please take a look at them. They support the channel. Please support them. Craig, we had a project where I needed some not shelf, but they're drawer slide guides. They sent those to us, and we used them in a unique way this year. It's in a video, little Easter egg. Go find that. First time sponsor for our channel is Dovoh lasers. I've got a small short out on that, and I'm going to be using that to set my table for my saw. That's going to be handy to have that so I know exactly where I'm putting that, and a couple other projects too. A new one this year also is Tufbit. Every drill you have in your shop should have a Tufbit. This thing is amazing. That magnet will hold up to 25 pounds of screws, and I can just like slap that in there and go, and they're just right there. Up on a ladder screwing something, you don't want to have to be fishing for screws. They're right there. And it holds 3 little bits in there too. This is wonderful. Get that. And what's also on the Makita here is a Vanon battery. Vanon, a longtime supporter of the channel. They're great. As far as replacement batteries go, they're just as good as the original batteries, in my opinion, for all your projects, all your power tools out there. Give them a look. We'll put a link in there. And with some of these things, I'll put our discount code in there. So if you do decide to get them, you'll get a discount code for yourself. And a big one this year, nice project. This hood, this helmet from Microclimate, this thing is amazing. When I'm doing blowing out bags or doing heavy dust intensive items, this goes on. It is refreshing, keeps fresh air in there, keeps all the nasty stuff out, protects not just my lungs, but my eyes. So this is a great product. I'll put a link in there. This was wonderful. Up on the wall, we have our Dewenwils retractable reel. They sent us another one this year to put out in the garage. So I've got a powered corded reel out in the garage. Thank you, Dewenwils. That's great. We've been using the daylights out of that, and the garage now has the power it needs to do projects out there. Totalboat sponsors epoxy for a lot of our projects. We're very grateful to them, as we are to Empire Goods Company. They help us out with molds and pigments for our epoxy classes. It's great stuff. If you get a chance, I'll put links again to that. So there's our 3 of our big sponsors that really have come through. Freud, I need to get a banner up for Freud because they are a huge help in the shop. So those are just the products that we've gotten this year. Some longtime sponsors, some new ones. We really appreciate how they take care of helping us keep the channel going and keeping the products out there that will give you some interesting projects out of our shop. All right. Maybe you're as tired as I am from running through that. That was a lot. I had no recollection of it being that much through the year, but we're really grateful for all the support. It's been a whirlwind at times, but lots of projects, lots of videos. The video on the benchtop router table blew me away. I had no idea that many people would be interested in a video I put out. So thank you so much for all the support, our sponsors. Again, as I was compiling all the products, again, I was blown away at how much support we've gotten from just manufacturers that we've dealt with over the years, some new ones. Really, really grateful. And the support from subscribers. Mike, Chris, you guys just blew me away with your generosity this year, as well as the rest of you for watching all the things that we put out. So I don't want to ramble on too long, but I want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all that you've done in watching our channel, even coming to our aid. It is social media, and sometimes some of the responses aren't positive, but I didn't have to do a thing. You guys just jumped right in there and took care of it, and we are truly grateful for that as well. So whether you're a new subscriber or an old one, we hope to maybe hit 1,000 this year in 2026. That's kind of our short-term goal. But beyond that, we want to entertain and educate, and hopefully we've continued to do that as far as you're concerned. So thank you again, and remember, you can do this.